Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Quensa. Today we will be talking about advanced level price action strategy and how you can trade with this. Okay, now before starting the session, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below with the help of which you can download and install the Quensa web application. After successful registration, you will get some 25 free tools here that you can use for your trading. Okay. Also in the learn section, we have video library. So we have made multiple videos on Pro Plus tools as well as on strategies, right? So you can watch these videos in your meantime. They are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil. So you can choose your preference as well. Okay. Now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can directly go in the profile section and in support you will get our contact number and email ID. So you can reach out to us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right? So let's get back to today's video, the price action strategy, and that will be of advanced level, right? So before going to the main topic, I'll clear some terms with you and what are the steps that you have to follow, right? So we will follow three major steps, okay, for our strategy, and that steps are: first one, okay, we will confirm the trend. Okay, so we will confirm the trend. Okay, confirm the trend. Okay, first of all, we will confirm the trend if either the trend is in bullish or the trend is in bearish, right? So, or in bearish, right? We will confirm the trend. Okay, and once we will confirm the trend, then the second step, then we will wait for the pullback. Wait for pullback. Okay, wait for pullback. So that is our second step. When I'll confirm my trend, if there is a bullish trend or if there is a bearish trend, then I'll go for the second step, that I have to wait for the pullback, right? And then the third and the last step is that the reason to entry. Okay, reason to entry, right? Now after the pullback, I need to have a reason for the entry. Now this reason can be of candlestick pattern. So once I'll confirm it with the candlestick pattern, then I'll make my entry, right? So these are the three steps that I have to follow. Then there are one or two things that I'll tell you, right? Now for the confirmation of trend, I'll use 50 exponential moving average here, right? I'll use 50 exponential moving average, right? And again, there is one thing that is called the breakout of structure, right? So this is the smart money concept. I have covered this thing. I'll tell you again. For example, if there is a uptrend and like this, and there is a higher high, okay, your market is like this. Okay, now at any point of time your market will reverse back and make a higher low, right? So this is the swing high and this is the swing low, right? Now at any point of time your market will go again and break this higher high. So this is your breakout of structure, right? This is your breakout of structure. Your previous high has been broken, so this is your breakout of structure, right? You need to have the knowledge of this thing because we are using this thing in our strategy as well, right? Now similarly, if there is a downtrend market, okay, so this is your lower low, right? Then your market reverse back and it makes a lower high at this point, right? Now at any point of time, if your market will again break this point or this line, so this is your breakout of structure, right? I hope clear होगा, ठीक है? तो ये चीज भी हम यूज करने वाले हैं and we will mix it with 50 exponential moving average. काफी अच्छे से बताऊंगा, जब हम एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर जाएंगे तो सब चीज क्लियर हो जाएगी. ओके, अच्छा, इसी के साथ यहाँ पे we have another thing that is pullback, right? That is, we have a pullback. So I hope everyone knows what a pullback is, right? Whenever your market goes in a upward direction and after reaching a certain point it comes back, okay, so there must be 2 or 3 candles in the opposite direction and then your market continues again in that direction. So that is, this is your pullback. Okay, so first when the market was going like this is called the impulse. Okay, the strong action. After strong action there must be some profit booking, so your market comes in the negative direction. So this is called the retest, or you can say the pullback, and after pullback there is a continuation in the same direction, right? So that is the thing. So that is your pullback, right? And after that we have to know the reason for taking entry. Now for the reason, what we need, first of all we will look for 2-3 candles. Okay, so let me tell you for which candle we have to look for. We have to look for a very strong candle, right? If we are taking entry in a positive direction, in a bullish direction, then we will confirm it with candlestick pattern. So that candlestick pattern can be of like this with a very green good body. Okay, so this candle is green and with a good body, you can say, right? Now this candle can be Marubozu as well, right? This candle can be bullish engulfing as well, or this candle can be like this as well. Okay, like this as well. It means it is rejecting your bearish price, it is rejecting your lower price or sellers, and it is going with the buyers. Okay, so it is also a green candle. So whenever I will find these candles in my entry as my entry, so that will be my reason for my entry. That is our last step. ठीक है, आई होप क्लियर हो गया होगा. ट्रेंड का पता करेंगे, सेकंड स्टेप पुल बैक, थर्ड स्टेप रीजन फॉर अ एंट्री. ओके, स्टेप टू स्टेप चलेंगे. ठीक है, लेट्स गेट बैक टू चार्ट. जितने भी डाउट्स होंगे सारे वहां पे क्लियर हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स डायरेक्टली गो टू द चार्ट. आई एम ओपनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट एप्लीकेशन हियर, एनालाइज एंड चार्ट्स, ट्रेड एंड ऑर्डर. ओके, सो लेट्स ओपन हियर निफ्टी को ओपन कर लेते हैं एंड लेट्स चेक दिस इन निफ्टी. Okay, Nifty. So I have opened Nifty here. Now the main thing is that what will be the time frame for this advanced जो आपका प्राइस एक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी है, what will be the time frame for it? Okay, so the time frame in which you will use it is 1 hour. Okay, so you have to use it in 1 hour time frame. Okay, just make sure to use it in 1 hour time frame. It will give you a very good reading. Got it? Okay, so let's start and let's analyze Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty with this strategy. So I'll apply 1 hour time frame here. That is 1 hour time frame. And let me zoom my chart for you so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Now the first thing is that I have to apply what? I have to apply exponential moving average. Okay. So I'll apply exponential moving average here. Now step to step, this exponential moving average will be of what reading? It will be of 50 reading, right? So I'll change the inputs and I'll apply here 50 reading. Okay, so my 50 exponential moving average has been successfully plotted in the chart, right? Now the first thing is that I have to confirm the trend. So the first step, I have to confirm the trend with exponential moving average and with the breakout of structure, right? That is the combination of two things, right? So let's see, for example, I can see here at this point, just analyze this point. Okay, I'll show you so many examples here, right? So first of all, my market came here. Okay, you can see, right? Then there is a breakout of my 50. This is my 50 exponential moving average, right? So you can see my market broke it out successfully, right? So that is the upside trend, right? I will confirm it with the breakout of a structure as well. That is a combination in the first step. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. So I can see when my market was moving, so my market make a higher high here, so that is my swing high. Okay, and then it came down, so that is my swing low, right? That is my swing low. Then again the market went in the upward direction, so I'll mark this high as my point. Okay, and my market when broke it down, it means this is my break of structure. As I have shown you what is the break of structure. So break of structure हो चुका है. 50 exponential moving average, जो ये blue line है 50 exponential moving average, इसका भी breakout हो चुका है. It means my market is in bullish direction. So the first step is clear. First step clear. I have confirmed my trend. It is a bullish trend now. So I'll trade in the bullish direction. Now the second step, I have to wait for the pullback. ठीक है, so let's see where it has given me a pullback, right? So let's clean this and let's see where there is a pullback. Okay, right? So I can see at this point when it broke it out, so this was my break of structure. So break of structure, right? After that my market went upward and then there is a pullback, right? So you can see pullback, 2 red candles. I got 2 red candles here. Okay, I'm not sure if you are able to see it clearly, so I'll zoom it out for you guys. Now I think it is very much clear. Okay, so this is your breakout of structure. So breakout of structure happened. After that, my market went upwards, and then there is one candle, two candle. So I got a pullback here. Now my first step has been done. Second step has been done. That is my pullback. So I got a pullback. Then the third and the very last step, I need a reason for entry, a very strong candle, right? So very strong candle, and that is your reason for your entry. That is your very strong candle, right? So this is your reason for entry. Whenever this candle will be formed here, it means now all of my steps have been done. My reason for the entry is this green candle. That is my Marubozu, or you can also say bullish engulfing, because I can see no wicks in this candle, right? So you can mark the high of this candle, and then you could have taken entry. दिखा देता हूं मार्केट कहां तक गया, ठीक है, मार्केट कहां तक गया. तो you can see if you would have taken entry here, so your market went in your direction. Okay, so that is the trade for you. Let's see some other example. कुछ और example देख लेते हैं, ठीक है. 50 exponential moving average में. Okay, I got one more example here, right? So you can see here your market made a high here. Okay, then it came down, and your 50 exponential moving average, it broken out, right? तो यहाँ पे broken out हो गया. This was your lower low, so your break of structure is this. Okay, so break of structure is also done. Then I have to wait for the pullback. So your market made a low here, and then after pullback, so this is your pullback, right? Now after the pullback, I need to have a reason. So I got two things here. The first one, I have confirmed the trend, so trend confirmed. The second thing is that pullback. Okay, so I got a pullback here till my exponential moving average, no issue. So I got a pullback, two steps done. Third step, I need a reason for entry. So right now I am going for the bearish direction, so I need a red candle, right? That will be my reason. So for that red candle, I can clearly see here. Let me again zoom it out my chart for you, right? Zoom it my chart for you. So you can see here, this was my green candle, and after that green candle, a red candle was formed, and this was my confirmation. Why? Because that is my bearish engulfing candle. It engulfed the previous green candle completely. So that was my it can be my reason to entry. Okay, and after that you can see a very good trend. It was not very big trend in your bearish direction, but still you could have made a good profit out of this, right? And let's see if there are some other example here. Okay, so here I can see another example. See, your market break the 50 exponential moving average, right? Then it made a high here, and then there is a low here. Okay, so I'll mark this high, and whenever your market broke it out, it means my break of structure has done. Okay, so break of structure done. 15 exponential moving average also broken out. It means 50 EMA also done. So my first step has been cleared. That is the confirmation of the trend. So trend is in bullish direction, right? After that, I'll wait for a pullback. So second step is pullback. Okay, let's see. So my market went, it made a high here, then it came down, so there was a pullback. Okay, so pullback was done. Second step is also done. Third step, I'll make a entry. I'll wait for the entry, reason to entry. So let's see if I got a reason here. Okay, so now I can see I got a candle here. Okay, so this was the green candle. Okay, and why I am using it as my reason for entry? Because it is a candle which has very minimal wicks. Okay, and if you don't want to use it, so you can also go with this green candle. That was a short candle for me. Okay, so that can be my reason for entry. I can mark the high of this candle and make my entry, and low as my stop loss, and then you can see a very good uptrend in your direction, right? So this is a strategy, advanced price action strategy, that also involves a smart money concept, right? So this is the strategy that can provide you a good you can say strike rate in the market. Okay, so if you will use it, okay, you will get a very handsome hefty profit in your trades, right? You can also back test it. Okay, just give it some time, only then it can be very fruitful for you, right? So thank you so much guys. This was my video on advanced price action strategy, right? You can use it, and अगर वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, you can like it. Just comment us down जो भी आपके views हो in the comment section. If you are new here, you can also subscribe the channel, right? Thank you so much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a very great day.